From the Assignments tab, the top box includes those assignments that are ready for review. These are the items the system is asking you to look at. You can move from student to student here. On the top right is a filter that will allow you to change from all courses to just one. We can focus on all of Heritage Studies from this box. The box has several columns. Date completed is the date the assignment was completed by the student. The system will show the most recent first. Clicking the Next button will take you to the oldest assignment. The next column in the box is the type of assessment. Most items will have a box for points earned and possible points. If the type column says it's a task, it will not be a graded item and will have a Done link in the Actions column. Here we can see several tasks that the system is not asking for a grade. Each one has a Done link in the Actions column. We can click this link and that assignment will be cleared from the Ready for Review. On the top left is a link, Clear Done Items, which will clear all these types of assignments from your view. Here, the student took this quiz online and it now shows up on your profile for review. You can't see these quizzes until the student submits them for grading. Now the system is asking you to review it. In the Actions column, you can click the Grade link and you will be taken to the quiz so you can review the answers and submit it for a grade. From here, you can also skip it. Skipping this will send the assignment to the Gradebook, but it will not count it as a grade. In the Resources column, you might find a key link available for download if it is needed for grading that item. These resources will only show up for online and DVD courses. For any gradable item, you can simply enter a number in the Points Earned box to give that item a grade. Make sure to click Save to send the assignment to the Gradebook. Moving on to the box below is the All Assignments box. Just like the Ready for Review box, we can filter this view to only see one course. This box has 3 tabs. The first is the Completed tab, where you will see all the completed assignments that were reviewed and sent to the Gradebook. The Future tab is where you can see what is coming up for the student. The Late tab are those assignments that the student has not completed. From these 2 tabs, you can skip an item in the Actions column, and the key will be listed in the Resources column if it is available for your type of course. At the top of the All Assignments box is an Edit Grades box. You can change a grade from this view without going to the Gradebook. This is a great option to quickly change a grade and continue on with your day.